So today is going to be very controversial, and I won't be surprised if I get some negative comments about this. But here goes. Who or what is God for you? Who or what is God for you? Your answer could be it is a higher power, a divine power, a supreme power, way higher than my own, that has an awareness, a knowledge of everything, that is omnipresent, that is omniscient. And I agree with you. I am completely on board with that definition. Where I am not on board with a lot of people is what they do because they believe in this higher power. And I completely and utterly believe in this higher power. Whether I call it God, I call it universe, I call it the one source, all of these are just terminologies. But I believe in that omniscient, omnipresent higher power. But when you go on to say that all I have to do in my life is to give up all my worries to that higher power, give up all my difficulties to that higher power, and I have to take no responsibility for my life because I shall do whatever that higher power is making me do, then that is where you and I have divergent views. That higher power is like this wall behind me. It shall not allow me to fall. It shall be my support system. But it is not going to pick me up from this chair or put me into this chair. It is not going to turn on my phone for me. It is not going to put my video onto social media. It is not going to do any of that because all of that is my responsibility. It is only providing me with this very strong backdrop. It's not only a backdrop, it is my support system. When I am emotionally, mentally, spiritually exhausted, I can lean back upon it for a few moments and feel its strength rejuvenating me again. But my life has to be led by me. Please visit a temple every day if that is your heart's desire. Please pray every day if that is your heart's will. But understand that that prayer or that visit to the temple is going to do nothing for you if you do not accept responsibility for your life. If something is not going according to what you desire, if a relationship is going astray, if your health is not optimum, if the money situation is a little bit dicey, if there is unpleasantness in the home, whatever you may go through, we all go through it as our human experience. And why do we go through it as our human experience? This amazing, omnipresent and omniscient being, force, energy that we truly believe in, would that force deliberately bring you troubles? Whether you want to call it karma, whatever your answer is, the bottom line is that you have created the problems and you have to create the solution. It's like your home has the supporting structure. But if you want to break down one wall, then that is your choice. But then it must also be your choice to build it up again. Otherwise, you're going to leave a gaping hole and you're going to say, why is that omniscient and omnipresent being not repairing that gaping hole? Because you've broken it, so you have to repair it. And that is the purpose of life. In a nutshell, that is karma. Karma is not about punishment, and it's not about any of us being horrible people. No. Karma is, I have done X, and now if I choose to undo it, then I have the power in my hands and I have to exercise that power. And if I don't know how to exercise that power, then yes, I can ask this support system to say, hey, I don't know what to do. Could you please guide me? Show me the way, and then I shall walk. But this support system is not going to walk for you. It can point out the way to you. But again, it's your free will to take that way or not take that way. And this omniscient and omnipresent being, this support system that we are so blessed with, is not going to feel bad if you say, okay, you pointed out that path, but it doesn't work for me right now. I'll take another path. And that being will say, okay, please go ahead. Why have I given you free will if not to exercise it? So, God is present. The supreme power is present. But where is it present? It is not present out there. It is present in here. You may give it any name, any divine name. But that divine name, that divine force is here. Exercise your power from here, and all your prayers will be answered from here.